So Tommy's gonna try some eggs that were water glassed in March of 2022. That makes them a 1.5 years old.
18 months old.
So this is what they look like. You have to scramble them. You can't just fry them because they're all mixed together. So give it a try.
I mean,
compared to a regular egg, what does it taste like?
An egg, but
any difference?
Got a different smell to it, a slight little different taste, but
what about texture?
I almost feel like a powdered egg.
Really?
Yeah.
But you're gonna eat it, right?
Yeah.
It's edible.